Purrs the cat loved playing in the attic. One day, she found a shiny collar with a golden tag. Suddenly, a bird chirped. "Hello!" Purrs gasped. "You can talk?" The bird laughed. "No, silly, you can understand me." Purrs purred with joy. Outside, Purrs met a big owl in a tall tree. "I'm Owliver," he said kindly. "I love reading books." "I love stories too," Purrs smiled. "What's the name of this super tall animal with a long neck?" "Well done, it's a giraffe." Near the roots, a tiny squirrel waved. "I'm Squeaky, look at my perfect acorn." "It's beautiful," Purrs giggled. Suddenly, Pop the dog ran over. "Want to play fetch?" he barked. "Yes," Purrs laughed, and they played happily all day.